Another great thing with this system, if you go to your music, see at the bottom there, Mercedes Benz Bluetooth, click on that. There's a tick next to Mercedes Benz Bluetooth, which means any audio that's playing on here, whether it be Spotify, Amazon, YouTube, that's only the music, not the video, it will play. But anything that plays on here, if you've got the right buttons pressed on the audio system, it will play through the speakers. So I'm going to turn that down. We go over to the system, click forward, sorry, actually click back to get out of that menu. That's showing radio here and media up there, but there's nothing on media. So if we go to media, highlight media, click media, that's gone into it's showing my phone, but it wouldn't necessarily go onto the phone. I'll just show you. You see now there's an arrow next to media. So if I click on media, Bluetooth audio, information on media, disk. So we'll just put it on memory card. So we'll do it again. So that's memory card. So if I go back, we'll go to navigate completely out there. So I'm playing Journey here. We want it to come through here. Click up to the top menu, onto media. So you can see there's no arrow next to it. So we click on media. That's on memory. Just wind the circular control until you come to Bluetooth audio. Then select Bluetooth audio. Now it's playing. So we'll turn it up quickly. I'm only going to do this very quickly just to prove it's coming through. Turn that up. Which it is. So that's how you stream audio.